Can everyone hear me? All right. Good morning, and it's such a pleasure to be in here in person at AW Asia today. I'm Srivatsan Jayasankar from Snap, and we're going to dive in for the next few minutes. We'll walk you through how the Snap AR ecosystem and Snap AR with tools and technologies, we've actually broken beyond boundaries of digital and physical and combining together seamlessly. We will also actually show you how Snap AR doesn't just complement AR experiences, but also enrich user experiences on Snapchat and beyond Snapchat. So we have a very vibrant Snap AR community that comes together with a lot of creative and technical minds who create really engaging experiences on Snap. As a result, we have 300 million people who use AR every day on Snap. We introduced AR experiences, what we call lenses, through which many of you, most of you, if not all of you, have actually experienced AR, either through our iconic dog ears or through the rainbow filter. How many of you have actually here experienced these lenses? Just show up your hands, yes? I see a lot of young audience. I think your age determines how well you use Snap here. We actually have Lens Studio, which is our tool, which was initially used by our internal developers. We opened this tool to our larger community to actually build AR experiences through which a lot of our Snap users actually get to explore and use AR experiences on our app. Since then, our products have actually evolved to much more complex experiences. We have face meshes, body meshes, through which we can actually show you human AR. We have world AR, through which we actually capture buildings and cityscapes using AR through Snap. With many capabilities such as hand tracking, world AR, environment matching, we brought a new level of realism to AR experiences. With these, our Snap AR community members built incredibly natural and deeply engaging experiences. 4 years ago, we actually launched Camera Kit. Camera Kit extends the power of Snap AR beyond Snapchat. You can take the tools and technologies that Snap provides into your own applications, web, and multiple other formats. With Camera Kit, we've been able to actually experience the power of Snap AR in various other mobile apps, desktop apps, even concerts and stadiums. So as a result of all this work that we've done over a decade, we have more than 350,000 developers built over 3.5 million lenses. At Snap, we're committed to continuously improving this tool and actually making developers have access to our tools to build better experiences. A few months ago at AW USA, we launched Lens Studio 5.0. So one of the most exciting additions about Lens Studio 5.0 is our plugins. We now support plugins. We can see a lot of our creators already adding value and creating plugins for Lens Studio. Lens Studio also has a very, very interesting factor, which is my most favorite one, is it's not only for really experienced AR developers. It's also for new creators who want to explore the world of AR. With our Gen AI suite, we actually let new creators build really engaging AR experiences. To talk more about Gen AI, I'm going to call our very own experts, Vlad and Valeriia.
Hi, everyone. Excited to be here at AWE Asia today. So we are thrilled to talk about Gen AI today to you. So Gen AI Suite is basically a family of plugins, which in core has Gen AI technology. But before we all dive into Gen AI, let's take a look on our journey to this moment to have a better understanding of the importance of it. So our journey started nearly 10 years ago when the carousel with first AR experiences, we call them lenses, appeared in Snapchat's camera. Since that moment, we created thousands and thousands experiences and millions from our community creators. And in 2019, we released very first in its kind ML-based AR experience. You see right now on the screens three lenses, baby lens and two my twin lenses. And since that moment, these lenses have become a big part of our lives. We've seen a lot of our friends and families playing with that. We see community creators created a lot of content with that. We've seen a lot appearances also on TV shows or stadiums or events like this, thanks to the camera kit. And they were received well by our Snapchatters. And to talk about that, few numbers. So on average, Snapchatters engage with ML lenses, like ML face lenses, nearly 100 million times per day. In US only, nearly 70 million Snapchatters play with this scary smile lens. In the first half of this year, Snapchatters played with ML lenses more than 25 billion times. And since the release, the immersive ML lenses, during the first 2 months, Snapchatters played with them in average 53 million times per day. Crazy numbers. And we see that our community loves them. So what's behind these lenses?
What exactly are these lenses? So Gen AI lenses are the result of machine learning techniques to analyze and then manipulate the real-time camera input. So they mix together features from the reference, the real-time camera feed to create really exciting new experiences. Gen AI algorithms can apply various transformations, various effects, animations also. For example, FaceML effect can help you generate new expressions, realistic face expressions. For example, change age, apply makeup. Immersive full screen ML can change the entire screen, the entire stylization of your image. And also, Gen AI is possible to create new 3D characters for you. Gen AI is really impressive, game changer, but working with Gen AI is basically was not always easy. So to build a generative effect, you need to develop a creative concept, build a diverse data set, find a model architecture, train the final model, and then deploy it on device. Each step of this developing process is crucial, essential. For instance, without clear design concept, the lens may not engage users well as poor data set can lead to a model that doesn't work properly. Picking a wrong model or not training it properly can limit its abilities. And finally, without proper deploying on device, the final lens can cause technical issues. So yes, development of Gen AI lenses are not only technical challenge, but also very time-consuming. Back then, it took us 7 months to create our first baby lens. It was a very big team, a lot of people involved in this process, Snap team has put an extensive effort to speed up this process, to adapt and finalize all the processes with one purpose, with one ultimate goal to deliver and produce a tool to introduce it to our community creators. So now everyone can create this lens within a few hours. And basically, 3D asset generation is also something that we achieved recently. The 3D asset generation not only saves up to 15 hours for LAN creators, but also empowers them to create 3D assets without specialized programs and without any 3D art skills.
So our main goal with the release of GenAI Suite was to democratize the technology and make it available for our community creators, make it easier for them and faster, so creator can stay on their vision. So what do we have there? Well, first we have ML face effects. Now you can create easily your very own ML face model and use it in your lens. Next up, we have head morph. Like Valeriia mentioned, right now you do not require to learn 3D design skills. We covered you there. You just can give us a prompt or like a prompt, yes, and we will cover you there. You can create character lenses like animals, monsters, superheroes without learning 3D design. Just a prompt, and we will generate you 3D character head, animated, and you can place it in your lens project and place it on head tracking easily with click one button. Next one, we've added immersive ML tag. Like Valeriia mentioned, this technology allows you to generate stylization model, where you can become in your lens cartoon character or part of famous painting or whatever you dream up. Just single prompt or reference image and we will generate a model for you. Next one, 3D assets, same as head morphs. You're providing us prompt and reference image and we will generate a 3D model both with materials and textures and then you can use it in your lens project. And the one very recent release, addition to our family of plugins, garment generation, where you can generate your own unique garment, like holographic hoodie or t-shirt, or a yellow t-shirt with cat print. Just a second, place in your lens project, use it in your lens. And of course, to make it easier for you, we've added AI assistant, which helps you, like basically it's an AI model trained on all our documentation and learning materials. So you will have your answers on your questions easily, faster, without need to leave the Lens Studio. So the release, one more time, our focus was to make it easier for you. So you will stay on your design vision.
Yeah, let's talk about design in GenAI lenses now. So we all understand that success of lenses depends not only on technical aspects, but to thoughtful design that considers user needs, quality data, ethics, and continuous improvement. Continuous improvement. Focusing on design enables the creation of lenses that are both user-friendly and aligning with community values. Design elements such as colors, segmentations, animations, transitions, those are powerful effects, powerful tools to shape your user experience. And also I would recommend to try dynamic effects, transitions, like something that is movable and interactive to evoke emotions and make AR interactions more memorable and more enjoyable. Well-designed animations, stickers, frames, segmentations can capture users' attention and empower engagement. We encourage you to experiment. Try to combine different effects, different AR technologies. Your exploration will definitely foster innovations and unlock new possibilities. I highly recommend to use retouch over generated effects to make the final picture more smooth. Also, I would say that immersive ML, which is like full screen ML, is basically the immeasurable source of inspiration, and we can do basically any kind of stylization with this effect. So I would recommend to try applying this immersive ML over 3D assets, for example, head morph or just generated assets as 3D. The experience will become more engaging, more enjoyable. And so try it all, give us our feedback, and your experience and feedback are invaluable to us. Together with you, we can shape and define the future of AR. And I would like to pass the stage to Srivatsan back.
Thank you, Vlad. Thank you, Valeriia. All right. So whether you're actually a developer, a student, you're looking to actually build your business in AR, whatever your ambition or your aspiration in AR is, Snap AR lets you actually dream it and build it. We've been working with a lot of our community developers across the globe. I'm going to cover two very important aspects of our community and how we actually work with our community. The first is actually our Snap Lens network. Some of them are actually here. Snap Lens network is our top AR creators who we work with very, very, very closely on major activations. They get access to tools and technologies even before it's available to the public. And the most important and the loud factor about being an SLN for our members is they get a verified Snap profile. This lets them actually enhance their user experience and reach on the Snapchat app and beyond. We also have our community on Discord, which is super active. If you are an AR developer or if you want to be an AR developer, I would urge you to actually check out our Snap AR page in Discord and join our community. You'll get all the information and all our news on that. And you can also send us your feedback, like Valeriia requested. Whenever you have to build something, have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us on Discord. All right, Lens Creator Rewards. What is Lens Creator Rewards, right? Most of you who actually build lenses or want to build lenses would love to monetize it. At Snap, with the introduction of new Lens Creator Rewards, we help our creators monetize on the most engaging and AR experiences that are lenses built on our app. To check out more about this, please do visit our page, Snap AR. Let it be about downloading Lens Studio and getting started. If you're already an existing Lens developer and you want to know more about Lens Creator Rewards, you can find all the information on Snap AR. All right, so to end the session, I would like to actually also give you the golden invite to the session that's going to be hosted by our very own Steven with some of our top SLN developers at 3:30 today, growing and sustaining on the Snap AR ecosystem. Thank you, everyone.